Hello guys, hello, my name is Yelena, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna do girly dragon cake. The cake will be 8-inch round and I'm gonna pre-make again as usual all my details at the head, so that way tomorrow we'll be decorating as nice and easy. Alright, so I'm gonna pre-make a plaque for the number that will go on the front of the cake, and I'm gonna use just a plaque shape cookie cutter. And I'm gonna link all my tools that I use in my video in the description box, so if you need to check it out, you're welcome. Here's a plunger daisy cutter, so that'll be the same color, so just whichever I'm going for the colors, I'm just gonna do everything out of it. All right, so plaque, and then I need to do daisies, so I'll pre-cut them first. And then I'm gonna go with a little large pen and kind of smooth it out so they don't look too chunky. And I'm gonna put them on an egg carton to dry so they will have a little shape to them. All right, then I'm gonna do darker pink. My plaque will be double colored, so I'm gonna lay it on top of this darker color. And I'm gonna use X-Acto knife and cut it out, but leave a little edge around, so that way you can see dark pink color from underneath, just like that. See how it looks nice now? All right, and while I'm at this color, so I'm just gonna roll a sausage, and I need to put number on the plaque. For all the gluing details, I'm just using plain simple water, like that. And I'm also need do a few daisies of this color as well, so I'm just gonna do the same way, cut it out using my plunger cutter. And smooth it out the edges so it looks nicer. Alright, so the cake is not that big, so I don't need too many of them, but enough. And then I'm gonna do a few blue, kind of thin out so it's not all the pink cake. Alright, so the same way. Then I'm gonna do the same with leaves, so I'm just, this cutter is from the Wilton Fondant cutter set. Gosh, I don't even know if they still sell them. It's been so long ago when I bought them. It's like ivy leaf cutter, but you can use any leaf cutter, you really. All right, and now let's make our dragon. So the cake, again, 8-inch round, so I'm gonna use a board, 8-inch round board for my guide for the size. And just the regular fondant, I'm just make a sausage. Just freehand, I don't have any molds for this. And kind of check if the size is right. And I think this looks good. For the head. All right, and just go at it. I'll cut out message for the cake while I'm working with this color, and that should do it for today. All right, so this is next day. The cake, I already iced it. I didn't want to show you because you probably see it many times. I use crusting icing buttercream. You can see the link in my description box to the recipe that I use, and we'll add all our decorations that we made yesterday. All right, so this is the final cake. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like it, subscribe to my channels, and I will see you next time. Bye. Love you so much.